We are on the front page of Twitch. Yes.
My head is the size of your shoulder.
And we got John Hack and Antoine. We're putting on a show today, guys. You got to come.
If you haven't yet followed, go right down here.
Whoa.
Yeah, I think it's right here. I think I'm pointing to it. Click there. Come check us out on Twitch. There's going to be a bunch of viewers, and we'd really appreciate you guys being there.
Yes. I got this jean jacket. My friend Antoine gave it to me. Right, Antoine?
Yeah.
Tom worked out earlier. Now he's just sitting over here cold on a bench.
I have a hand warmer, and I have a pineapple stinger. They'll see it in a future video where I try to look really douchey. Not today.
We're gonna bench, and Antoine saying hi.
Doing a story, yeah.
Doing a story.
Story time.
Oh my
Juji's.
god. The bar with 2 places too much to warm up with.
Yeah.
I'm with you on that.
I don't know, it's kind of cool right now. So I'm gonna warm up on the cables and maybe do some rotator cuff stuff. You know, I want to feel great before doing this. You know, 30 years old now. I'm gonna warm up.
Oh yeah, you turned 30 like 3 months ago.
In July, yeah.
July 28th.
Yeah, it's true. You know what Salim told me earlier? I did tell you what he told me. He told me I'm 30 years old now. I should train smart. I think now if I want to be really smart, it's like why would I do all some kinds of crazy shit all the time? I could do crazy shit sometimes.
So maybe before you do crazy shit, do something smart.
Yeah, like warm up and stuff. I do pre-exhaust, you know, and because the other day I did the stupidest chest workout and I had the best pump and the best, like my chest is still bigger from that workout. And then all I did was cables and crossovers. Oh, and all around the world flies. I was like, whoa, my chest is so pumped. Like I did like 100 sets of dumbbell presses. It was
Around the world, la 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 la.
And then everybody singing la 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 la.
don't pull it, this hurts.
Have you tried pulling the gray hairs out of your beard?
No, it kind of hurts.
No.
Oh, they pull trucks with their beards. You ever saw that?
Would you do that?
I would probably try to do it if my beard was long enough. It's like, you know when you're a kid you want all that shit and you can't have it?
Yeah.
But now you can have it.
I remember when I was like 18, I was like drawing pictures of like having a squat rack with like chains and a sword behind it and stuff on like notebook paper. Like that's I have that picture still, I think.
It's a vision, yeah.
I was gonna call it the altar of steel and I was like keep it in my bedroom or something and work out. And now look how much further I am than that. This is like ta-da! Yeah, the altar of steel. I drew it on like
Such an 18-year-old kid that's into metal type thing.
Yeah.
Because if it was my own gym, I would put mirrors because I'm a bodybuilder.
It's not your gym though.
I know. That's what I mean. Male powerlifters are like, they look in the sky, you know, they're pondering about the universe while they deadlift, you know.
Yeah.
But me, I need to see like myself in the mirror.
Yeah.
I don't need it, but it's like, it's just a habit, you know. I'm gonna see the fibers moving if I'm wearing a tank top, and then that's just gonna remind me that I'm doing that exercise. So then when I focus on here within, I can actually connect with what I'm seeing in the mirror.
He's looking for his chair, dude.
Really?
He doesn't know where his chair is. It's freaking him out.
It's over there.
It's over there, dude. I moved it right over here. What's up?
He's gonna think it's my fault.
Dude, I've never even seen him get on top of a fridge before. Now he's up there.
Are you establishing dominance over Antoine, little cat? Someone came into Juji's gym and gave him a denim shirt, and now he shoulder presses like this. Get into it. Turn on that 80s music, Tom. Yeah. Make that screen go pop.
Yeah.
Your hands are getting so close to me, I feel a little triggered.
River is an old friend from my hometown. He even signed it. Look.
That's great, but it's crooked. It's not made for benching like over 300 pounds.
The leg is totally crooked.
I've benched almost 400 pounds on this.
Why? Why did you choose to
Look at his
do that?
face. Just
I'm just scared. Like I'm just wondering, once we're gonna start slinging over 300 pounds for reps on this, if it's gonna hold.
Would you feel more comfortable on another bench?
Oh, I would for sure.
Like, a guy that's gonna go to a rap battle,
Yeah.
and then he just has this really squeaky voice. Hey, hey guys, drop the beat.
Want an unwrap?
Oh, it's Antoine.
Well, you got vascularity in your head.
Dude, like vertical leg press is the worst.
Note to future self: get a vertical leg press.
Oh yeah, those are great.
To get the
Love
head
them.
pump.
To get the head pump for Antoine next time he visits.
We just brought it up. Antoine was gonna ask you, but I guess I can too. The dog, Scotty.
Yeah. A lot of you guys have been asking me in the comment section, and I've just been ignoring it. In July, we rehomed the dog. I took him a few hours south and we took our time to find a good owner, and he's with other greyhounds now. He wasn't happy here. The thing was that it became the #1 thing that me and Sam fought about. So, you know, most couples fight about money, and what else do couples fight about? Money.
Sex with lizards.
Time to spend time together.
Scheduling time and stuff like that. Yeah.
Having sex with other species.
Okay, orange juice. The thing that we fought about most was Scotty. We were
Chores.
It was
Chores near the house.
yeah, but for us it was like here's the list. Okay, money, scheduling, Scotty. Like it was every night we're at each other's throat about this dog, and it's just because he didn't fit here. It's a long story short. He was just like an alien. He wasn't. This wasn't a good place for him. He was scared of the garage. I couldn't condition him to it. He was peeing in the house all the time, even though I was walking him 3 times a day for 15 minutes at regular intervals. He was just.
He was a difficult dog that needed someone.
Dude, I cried.
had-
I cried when I.
Oh, it's normal.
I cried, man. I was so sad. I felt like a fucking failure.
Remember
Yeah.
my dog? I had to give it away.
Yeah, you had a pit bull.
And I felt like I was a fucking failure to my dog, you know? Because the reason why I got that dog is because I saved him from somebody who was not able to take care of him. And then I was the one to be able to take care of him because I could take care of myself. It's a different story than Juji's, but I still felt like a failure giving the dog away. But now she's fat and she's with a family and another dog, so she's
Right, the dog's in a really good
Dog's
place.
in a
for
much
him,
better
man.
place. He needed other greyhounds specifically, not just dogs. And
No,
He was
no.
with 2 or 3 other greyhounds now. That's
And
what
the
he
thing
wanted.
is, specifically, he needed greyhounds in another place. Like,
Yeah.
that's a really, that's high up on a need for a dog, you know?
Right.
Like, that's not something easily accomplished, like you getting 2 extra greyhounds, you know?
No.
So,
Well-
he's in a good place.
The moment the day after I took the dog down south, that dude over there walks up.
Little cat.
The universe was basically telling me, hey man, you gave the dog your best shot, but you're an idiot. The greyhound's not what you needed. You need this cat. Here you go.
But also I'll make it open. I'll make it open.
You look like a statue, bro.
All right, Tom, you out of here?
He looks like a cat god. He's our cat god, just looking over us, judging us silently.
He's a feline, divine feline.
Yeah. I'll see you at Highland Games tomorrow.
Yes. Give me a hug.
Where's my kilt? Are you guys gonna wear your kilts to bed?
I've been wearing my kilt
It's
all
on right
week.
now.
No.
How do you do that?
These are Juji pants. Sorry, Black Friday sale over. Get over it. Dude, this is 225. I can remember when I was 18, I couldn't even do this once.
Yeah.
Because remember, all I did was like deadlifts and squats and stuff.
Yeah.
Remember that? I never did upper body.
And tricking.
Have you used one before? Nope. Yeah. Helps a lot, doesn't it? Oh, god damn! I got hard. One more. God damn, dude. I don't know. This might be more than I thought it was. Fuck. Shit, that was hard. That shit crushed me. So I'm gonna put on a slightly stronger slingshot and see if that'll help me. Yeah, 3 to 5 pounds here with 100 pounds of chains at the top, doing closed grip with a slingshot. If you can relate, comment below. Because I can't even relate right now. It's still fucking hard, even with the slingshot for me. Oh no, you want to jump rope? Is it helping you? How much you jumprope.net? Yeah, try to do a jump as high as you can to that thing on. Squeeze it into your nostrils. Nostrils. N-U-S-T-R-I-L-S. Nostrils.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
You like slingshots?
Go ahead. Unwrap. Let's go. Pump.
Oh, I just want to do a set that I can do. And I can do this.
Keep going until you fail.
Alright.
As soon as you start slowing down, I'm gonna have you do a couple more reps. Again. One more time.
Oh shit! Alright. You got a strong arm. He's got a strong arm.
It's because I'm heavy. I'm pulling back with my weight. Huh?
Jujimufu?
He's okay.
Jujimufu?
Jujimuffin. Muffin Juji.
Damn it, Sam.
Oh, Sam.
What flavor?
Flavor? It's Juji B.O.
Quick bodybuilding circuit. Antoine removed the seat off my preacher curl bench, and now he's doing spider curls. And
Behind the head.
behind the head. One. Yeah.
And it's squeezing.
Yeah. Look at that. Right over the head. Wow. Superset that with hammer curls. 35 pounds, which is surprisingly hard after you do these. You just swing them a little. Bunch of tricep pulley stuff. Really lightweight, just a lot of reps that are really slow, controlled. You are training completely different from the last two guys that were here.
Yeah.
It's hilarious.
But we did some heavy stuff.
Yeah. We
know?
did the heavy shit.
When I do heavy stuff, sometimes right after, I'm gonna do like some really light stuff.
Yeah.
So I can have the best of both worlds, you know?
Yeah?
The good weight, mostly for fun and power, you know?
Mhm.
And then you do the light stuff to have a good pump, you know?
Yeah.
And then the two together, I think, makes hypertrophy.
We'll do half natty lighting. Come over here. Your tips of your toes on that crack line right there. There you go. Then, yeah, that's good. Oh yeah.
Huh?
You have abs right now? Yeah, yeah, you do. Why are you posing with a tank top?
Huh?
Why are you posing with a tank? Oh, here we go. This is great. It's been a while since we've done this.
Posing?
Yeah, man, I haven't done posing in forever. Back pose? I know we don't have.
Is it good lighting good?
Yeah, the lighting's fantastic right here. Back used to be your weakness, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, not anymore. Lat spread. The comeback is real, man.
Comeback is real?
The comeback's real. The comeback is fucking real. You're really coming back. Oh, Brad Castleberry?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Boom!
Boom. He stole the Doom font for his boom. Boom.
Give me some posing instructions here.
That chest is good, yeah. Stick your chest out. Keep your, yeah. If you're close to the body, there's no, like, for example, to be close to the body, there's no holes.
Oh,
Yeah.
shit.
Chest out.
Oh, no holes.
Yeah, you can put your shoulders back.
Yeah. Better. I never even thought about that.
Yeah.
Right?
Good. Yeah. Boom. That's good.
Try that.
Yeah, back is good.
You don't have long hair problems, do you?
Nope.
Let's see.
There you go. Do the last spread again. It's a good one. And just hold it. Take it back a little bit again. Yeah. That's good.
Well, I got the music system in here because Eric said I needed music. No, I got the mirrors in here because Antoine said I needed to get mirrors.
Like on wheels, mirror on wheels.
Yeah. What are you doing now? Oh, fuck.
It's a deadlift bar. Right?
Curling in the deadlift
Yeah,
bar.
'cause like-
You ready to go inside? You want to sleep or something? No? What are you doing? Hammer? We're gonna do you got your kilt inside the house. We're doing Highland Games training tomorrow.
Oh, that reason I did my dick.
If you like this, subscribe to Antoine's channel. Yeah, subscribe to his channel.
Yeah. Lots of stuff
Because
coming.
he's been you've been YouTubing since 2008.
8.
Yeah, but for real, like 2011, 10, 2009. Dude, you've been YouTubing for a long time.
I was one of the first ones with Furious Pete.
Yeah.
For first
you've
fitness
been-
guys.
Yeah, you're like doing vlogs and stuff for a while.
Yeah, but I've been on and off, but in 2018 I'm gonna do a show and I'm gonna do all kinds of stuff and get some tips from my friend Jujimufu and ramp up the channel better than it was before. So if you want to support me in that, you can just subscribe to my channel. I guess there will be a link or something somewhere.
Yeah. This one. Thanks for the workout. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no problem.
It was fun. All right. See you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.